Hello guys, I'm Oliver Kovács, a Hungarian composer. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to create exploration music for a fantasy video game. Exploration music in video games is a background soundtrack that plays while the player explores the game world, designed to create a sense of atmosphere and adventure. When it comes to exploration music, the chord progression, rhythmic structure and melody are simple and easy to follow with a slow tempo. This is because the player focuses more on the environment than the music itself. Exploration music provides atmosphere to the gameplay. In this case, the key signature is D major, the time signature is 4/4 time, and the tempo is 80 BPM. The main melody is performed by the vocal and the viola da gamba. They play different melodies, but share the same accompaniment and chord progression. This is a common trick to extend your track with relatively few materials and ideas. The chord progression for the main melody is as follows. The first and the second violin follow each other and form triads above the main melody. The violas play below the vocal and the viola da gamba, while the cellos and double basses provide the bass notes. During the short intro and outro, the wooden flute plays along with the first violins. The harp conveys a fantasy, medieval atmosphere. As you can hear, I use relatively few instruments, and this was a conscious decision. Here are 3 tips on how to create a seamlessly loopable track. Use mostly the same instruments at the beginning and the end of the piece. Ensure the volume is the same at the beginning and the end. It's a good strategy for the melody at the beginning to continue from the end. My track is loopable, but I also created a version with an ending in case the buyer wants to play the entire piece without looping. If you found this video lesson interesting and helpful, you can support me by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, subscribing, or even buying me a coffee. Thanks for watching.